part two. Part two of doing my makeup. These are headphones. Unfortunately, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. So, yeah, I got to do the rest of my makeup. So, I'm sorry for pressing the wrong button. So the whole progress was I was gonna do my eyelids after the ones that make your eyes pop. And then, yeah, then I was gonna go get my blush, and that's when I pressed the wrong button. So I'm not gonna press it this time. Hold on. Now I'm back. Let me get this to some blush. Okay. Oh my. Making my nose go iffy. Perfect. Now that I got my blush done, let's go get some lipstick. Hold on. I didn't press the wrong button. Okay, so here's red because it matches the top.
This is not just a 90s, just a friendly.
Not like me. Perfect. Now, you guys can't see. Let's go over here. Maybe you guys can see it a little bit better.
What?
Seeing if they could see it better in the sunlight. Yeah, better. Hey, will you put that stuff on my eyelashes now?
Sure.
Perfect.
Girl, what are you doing? Don't look straight up.
Okay.
You already put some on. What are you doing?
I did. I'm listening. Hold on, guys. Don't mind what just happened. Because I forgot. Yeah, don't judge. Okay. One more part. Two more parts, actually. This has got glitter in it. So, I'm glad we got Perfect. One more thing. This is to settle your face. It's good to put on your lips too. So those. Me doing my makeup. Okay. Yeah. That's about it. Last thing I need to do is brush my hair. Ooh. Okay. And then, that's what I forgot. This is to help your eyes or your little eyebrows. Okay. Hold on. 1 minute. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, I am fully done. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And today is Saturday, March 20th at 4:35. So, greatly appreciate you guys watching my videos. And have a terrific day. Think positive. Bye, guys.